Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add an order bump in Systemate.io. So if you want to try Systemate.io for free, check out the link in the description below. And let's get started. First, log into your Systemate.io account and go to the sites. Look for the sales funnels and go to the funnel that contains your order form or payment page. Open your order form settings and scroll down until you find the order bump section. Then you just have to click it. So here you can choose the type of offer you want to sell, if it's digital products or it's a physical product. So if you're selling a digital product, select the resource you want customers to receive it, such as course, course bundle, community, or tag. Then you just have to create or select the price plan, since every order bump must have its own price before it can be sold. So for this one, I just have to use the digital product or a physical product because it contains sandals or women's footwear. Then look for the edit page. From the payment section in the left sidebar, drag the order bump, look for it first, and drag it just below the payment section. Then you can click on the order bump element to customize it. Write a short headline explaining the offer, add a brief description, and clearly highlight the value customers will receive by adding it to their purchase. The best order bumps are closely related to the main product and are usually priced lower than the primary offer. Before launching your funnel, complete a test purchase. Make sure the order bump appears correctly can be selected during checkout, and that customers receive the additional product after completing their payment. And if everything works correctly, your order bump is ready to start increasing your sales. And that's how you add an order bump in Systeme.io. A simple order bump can significantly increase your revenue by encouraging customers to add a complementary product before they complete their purchase. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel and check out the free Systeme.io link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.